To set up a PayPal account, start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to choose between a personal or business account. If you are an individual looking to make online purchases or send money to friends and family, a personal account is the best choice. If you are a business owner looking to accept payments from customers, a business account is the way to go. Once you have chosen your account type, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. You will also be asked to provide your address and phone number. Next, you will need to link a payment method to your PayPal account. This can be a credit or debit card, or a bank account. To link a credit or debit card, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. To link a bank account, you will need to provide your account and routing numbers. After you have linked a payment method, you will need to confirm your email address. PayPal will send you an email with a confirmation link. Click on this link to activate your account. You may also be asked to provide additional information to verify your identity. Once your account is set up and verified, you can start using PayPal to make online purchases, send money to friends and family, or accept payments from customers. To make a payment, simply log into your account, enter the recipient's email address, and the amount you want to send. You can also use the PayPal mobile app to make payments on the go. It is also important to note that PayPal offers a range of security features to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and encryption. To take advantage of these features, make sure to enable them in your account settings. Additionally, always be cautious when clicking on links or providing sensitive information online. In conclusion, setting up a PayPal account is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of PayPal's security features, you can start using PayPal to make online payments with confidence.